Hey guys, do you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube? Well, it's just easy. Well, I have been making videos with Rubik's Cube, but I don't really like Rubik's Cube. So, I'm gonna posting how to solve Rubik's Cube unless, uh, in less than about 1 minute or about 30 seconds. So this is how to do it. Okay, just mix it all right. Okay, there, it's really mixed. So I'm just gonna cover it with cloth here so that you can see. You can't see that there. Okay, that's really weird. Okay, there we go. I'm actually wearing my favorite shirt, this guy. Oh, there. Okay, now let's solve the Rubik's Cube. Just there. About there. So all you have to do is just to put it there. Cover it with this. You need to you need to mm, okay, let's cover it like that, like this. Okay, oh, okay, you can see the cube. Okay, there's a cube. I put that there. No one's touching it. Okay, no one's touching it. Just me. Okay, there's the Rubik's Cube. Can you see that? No, you can't. Cause if you can see it, cause the Rubik's Cube is solved. There we go. There, that's how to solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 30 seconds. Okay, that's all guys. Bye.